Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to check real battery health on your iPhone iOS 26. For example, if you want to check how many battery health is showing on your iPhone, but if you have a doubt that battery health is not original and you want to check whether that battery health which is showing on your iPhone is correct or not. So how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and in settings you have to go to general. So in general, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, you have to simply go back. Now what you have to do, you have to simply check your battery health by simply going into the battery section. And here you will find many options. So one of the option is battery health. So you have to simply scroll it down and you will find battery health and charging. So here you can simply find your battery health, but if you see that that is not correct, and if you want to know about the original one, because many softwares are available which increase your battery health, so there are scams also. So you can simply check your battery health by your battery performance, by your analytics and data of your battery. So for this, you have to simply go to settings again, and in this time you have to simply scroll it down until you find the option of privacy and security. And here what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of analytics and data. So here you can simply find that option. So where you can find all of your analytics and data related to your battery, and all other options are available. So you have to click on analytics and improvements. So you can find analytics data. So here you can simply find the latest data of your battery. So if you find any data, latest data related to your battery, then you can simply click on that. And after that, you have to simply share that analytics and data to battery status, and you will find the battery details. So if you find any option related to the battery which is of latest date, so you can simply click on that, and after that you can simply click on that share button. And because you have to make sure that that option is about the battery, so you have to make sure about that. And after that, you can simply select more, and you will find the option of the battery status. You can simply share to that, and you will find all the details related to the battery. So in this way, you can simply check the original battery health by analytics and data. So hope you have liked this video, and get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.